Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day today. Today's going to be like another office tour, but it's really going to be touching on some of the new items that I have in my office, and then I'll give you guys a quick look. One, I'm still getting a lot of questions about my office. Two, unfortunately with my channel, I cannot please everyone. So some of you guys are like, can I get a dupe? Can you show how I can create the office on this type of budget? Can you repurpose? Can you do this? Unfortunately, I just don't do all those things you guys are asking. But today's video is going to be helping you guys because I have collaborated with three lovely young ladies here on YouTube. Starting off with Angel from Angel Grace 2. I think you guys are really going to love her office. I actually came across her channel and she was the one that initially reached out to me. I have had the pleasure of speaking with her. I think you guys are really going to love her channel. The second person is Naomi from Glamorously Living. I absolutely love her home. I started following her on Instagram, and from that journey she decided to create a YouTube channel, and I've really been enjoying her channel. Her home is absolutely gorgeous. Lastly, Christine from Christine Penna. I actually collaborated with her around Christmas, so you guys got to see her put together that beautiful tree in her living room. So now you guys get to see everyone's office, and there's a little bit of something for everyone. What I'm going to be doing is leaving all three videos linked at the end, so definitely once this is over you can click on either one and don't feel like you're going to miss out on anyone. All three of us are going to have the videos tagged at the end, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this office tour. So I hope you guys enjoy. So upon the initial entrance of the house, you're greeted by the dining room and also my office. My office is to the left. So coming in, you can see my new computer, which I absolutely love, you guys. I did do a video sharing just a brief detail about it. I will get into it just a little bit more in this video. But pretty much my office is pretty straightforward to the point. Most of the items I would consider to be pretty affordable. Starting off with the wall art. It is from Home Goods. I believe it was about 70 bucks. A lot of the decor you see in the bookcase is also from Home Goods, Dollar Tree, and then I also went into like Tuesday Morning. Some of the books, again, I repurposed. I just took the backing on them and did all of that. When it comes to the organization that's in the bookcase, those from Container Store, and of course they're affordable, but once you start adding up, you know, the bill adds up. But I wouldn't really change too much. Some of them more I would consider like high-end, but I still got it at a really great deal, are my swivel chairs. I absolutely love these chairs. These chairs are from Bernhardt. You guys, I really love this chair, you guys. It looks so good, right? I seen it online. I was like, I need it, I want it, I have to have it. But it was like $1,900, and then it went down to like $14, and I was just like, I'm never gonna have this chair. And that's why you should never say never, because guess what? It was waiting for me in a box, all wrapped up. I absolutely love this chair. If you guys are wondering, my dress from H&M, it was $20, okay? $20. Moving right along. My lamps are from Home Goods, which again, I absolutely love them. Thank you so much to a lovely subscriber, because I had this one and then I put a bolo alert. I'm like, you guys, please help me, I need to find it. And it's so crazy because my subscriber in Atlanta ended up finding this one here, and then a month later you guys was like DMing me telling me that TJ Maxx had it on their website. So once I'm editing, if I can find any of these things, I will definitely, you know. This really large bookcase right here is from American Signature. I really love it. I think it's just a really great unit. And funny story, this was the last unit from them. When I tell you, like, I feel like I just feel like everything kind of came together with this office. This is like, I know my closet should be like my best room in the house, but my office is really like the room in the house. Like I stay in here quite often. It stays messy too, so don't let this video fool you into thinking that it's always so clean and neat. It's not. It gets pretty messy, but yeah, I love everything. Here's a quick look into my office again, and I have to say this is what I would consider to be high and low. The low pieces are the items that I really didn't focus on or I don't plan on using a whole lot. But for the items that I knew I was going to be using, I definitely took my time in trying to find things that were going to last and definitely hold up. I really and truly love how everything came together in the space.
Instead we completed that both of us needed more than a friend. Thought he'd be someone else, that it would take me a while. But right next to you now I'm sleeping, no rhyme or reason to that. If this is
The light fixture in the office, I love it so much. I wanted something that was going to stay on trend. I didn't want it to be too trendy, but I also didn't want it to be too traditional. And this right here just did it for me. When the minute I saw it, I actually ended up going into the showroom here in Savannah and I seen it and I fell in love with it. If you guys don't know already, I am in design. So one of the things that I focused on also was having fabrics that were going to hold up. Right now you're looking at my office chair and it does have Krypton. I promise I'm going to do a video going more in detail about this for those of you who don't know already. When you drop something on it, you don't have to clean or do anything. All you have to do is get a little bit of paper towel. The item bubbles on there. That does not mean that it's not going to get dirty. It simply means that when it does get dirty, it will be really, really easy to clean. Moving on to my computer, I was actually typing in my password. As I was typing it, it came on. It does have a facial recognition, so the minute I sit down in my chair, as long as the computer is on, it will turn on. The screen, initially, I was a little nervous about it. I believe it's 24 or 27-inch screen. I'll leave that information in the description box if you guys are interested to kind of click on it and see for yourself. But I thought it was big. I was like, oh my gosh. I opened it up and I was like, it looks like a TV on my desk. My desk is a 64 by 34. So I was like, OMG, it is entirely too big. But almost 2.5 now, maybe 2.5 weeks later, I have to say I am loving this computer. Over the past week, I have downloaded my Adobe. I've downloaded Movie Maker. I've downloaded my music. So what I did, because I have an HP laptop, I was told by another subscriber to mirror my laptop on my computer. So OMG, when I tell you it worked like magic. I took everything off my laptop that I did not need and put it onto an external hard drive. And then I basically mirrored my laptop on my computer, and you guys, it has been working like a dream. I absolutely love it. I did put a white screen over it so that way I wouldn't share like information that I was working on right now, but again, this computer is everything. My office is everything. For those of you guys that are here on my channel, you know exactly where this office came from because I shared that process with you. For those of you guys who are new though, here's a quick look at what my office looked like before. It was definitely the drop-off room. If I had something that I wasn't using, it went into that room. So to work on it and get this room together over the 3 months was really amazing. If you're interested or wondering, the pen color is called Destiny. It couldn't have been a better name for this space. It is from Sherwin-Williams, and I went in with a satin, which is a little bit more forgiving when it comes to using a brush and also a roller on the wall. It doesn't show imperfections. So here is a look at the office before, and here it is now. And I have to say again, I really and truly love this space. now that the tour is over, I wanted to go ahead and just touch on just one subject really quick, which is part of like being organized. I did a video going over like the 5 office essentials. This wasn't a part of it just because everyone's need is very different. I will be leaving that video at the end, but I wanted to go over my planners. And yes, I said planners. So I have 4 different planners. I have one for YouTube, one for my design, a financial planner, and then I have a creative planner. In my creative planner, I pretty much go over ideas for like YouTube concepts, things that I have going on, so I don't forget them, and I kind of write them down. When I tell you I have pages upon pages of things that I want to do, but just having the time allotted to me is not always easy. But the planner actually matches my outfit today. I actually went into Office Depot to print my planner. If you guys are interested in this planner, it is from Living Luxuriously for Less. A little plug right there. You print it out to what your need is. So every single page is really specified to what you need. And I really do love the fact that it's like pink and gold. It's girly, but it's not too much. So this one here is just my expense planner, and it goes and breaks down like my monthly expenses, and if I rendered any service, how much was paid, how much I deducted from that is what I write on here. The really great thing about this is, God forbid, if I was to ever get audited, I would have my book ready to go with everything on there, so I wouldn't have to worry about anything. And I did kind of enclose like some of my receipts. It's not all of them. I am missing some, but that's pretty much it for the video. Again, I hope you guys enjoy. And most definitely, don't forget to check out the 3 ladies if you guys are interested. And don't forget to subscribe to their channel and let them know Style by Casanova sent you. But that is it for the video today. Have a really, really great day. Bye.